Okay, so if you are a Teachers by Teachers seller, especially if you're new, please don't fall for the scam. It almost got me. But here's what you need to know to stay safe. So I received an email from TPT saying that I violated some of their rules and I needed to verify my account within 24 hours. So, yes, this first part looked very suspicious. You received a question from a TPT, but then it said this. So, already I was kind of like suspicious, but then I thought, oh my goodness, what did I violate? And so I copied this whole message into Chat GPT. Um, and luckily, in Chat GPT, they told me it was a phishing. Is it phishing or is it phishing? Anyway, it was like a scam, and I almost did click on some of these links because you can see it's looks very legit, and it even came from like um Chat GPT. No, at info at Teachers by Teachers, the email there. So it was like ah, but luckily ChatGPT said no, don't click on it. Just delete it. And then I went onto my Teachers by Teachers store, and it was in the Q&A part. Um, some they posted in the Q&A part also. So I flagged that message. I contacted the Teachers by Teachers support team, and luckily they were speedily looked at it, and then they also I think looked at that account of the person who sent it to me because they are very like anti-bullying or anti-harassment, so it was very nice. So just wanted to share this because scams are getting sneakier, especially when you're starting out. So if this would help someone um, to avoid being tricked like I almost was, so please be on the lookout, stay curious, stay safe, and keep creating.